In this lecture, we're going to play the song with Howler. We've already installed Howler. To use Howler, we'll need to import it into the store file. Open this file in your editor. With the other import statements, add the following. Import Howl from Howler. The Howl object will be used to create a new audio object. We'll use it to load the audio file and control it. Howler will create an object with methods and properties when we create a new audio object. We'll want to store this because we'll be able to pause and play the audio at any moment. The best place to store this object is in the state. That will make it accessible throughout the application. Inside the state, add a property called Sounds. We'll set it to an empty object. We'll create a new instance of the Howl object when a song is added to the state. We can write this logic from the action. Scroll to the New Song action. Inside it, create a new instance of the Howl object. Assign the value returned to the Sound state property. Once again, we're storing the new instance of the Howl object because we want to be able to interact with the audio anywhere in our application. If we want to begin playing audio, we need to pass in a few strings to the new instance. That can be done by passing in an object. In the new object, the first property we'll want to set is the source. This property will be an array of audio files we'd like to play. We're not interested in having multiple audio files. The values in the array must be the URL to the audio file. For our case, the URL can be accessed from the song object passed into the function. Inside the array, add the song.url property. The URL property contains the full HTTP URL to the audio file. We stored the URL when we uploaded the audio file to the storage. Firebase generated this URL for us. The next property to set is the HTML5 property. By default, Howler will request the audio file with an AJAX request. However, that will result in an origin policy error because the audio file is stored in an external location. By setting this property to true, the library will switch to the HTML5 audio API to retrieve audio files. The audio file will be loaded into the browser, but it will not begin playing. We just initialized the object. To play the song, we need to call a function called play. We'll play the music in the action function. After storing the instance, we can call the this.sound.play function. Let's give things a test. Go to your browser and view an individual song. Press the play button. After pressing the play button, you should begin to hear the audio play. Great! We've successfully played the audio by using Howler. Unfortunately, we don't have a way of pausing the song besides refreshing the page. Let's make the player at the bottom interactive. We'll take care of this in the next lecture.